Hello and welcome to Talgy Tutorials, where you will learn everything Talgy. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to request candidate resume on Talgy. Requesting resumes will give an instant access to the candidate's resume and also notify the recruiting agency via email so that you can collaborate and clarify any additional questions. Let's get started. To request candidate's resume, first log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the menu on the left for Hot Candidates, Hot Jobs and My Account drop-down menu. Click on Hot Candidates and you will see the list of all candidates. You can scroll up and down, navigate to more pages to see all candidates' names, agency they are with, title, location of the selected candidate, skills they have, years of experience, work authorization, are they looking for remote, on-site or hybrid roles. Hot Toggle. Hot candidate means they are available and ready to start as soon as possible, the date that the candidate was published. And lastly, the Under Actions column, select on arrow and request a resume. Use the search box at the top to search for specific skills to find candidates matching your search criteria. Let's try searching for .NET for this example. As you can see, system will find and show you candidates matching our search. Let's navigate down to the candidate we like and request the resume from the Actions menu. Pop-up window will open up. Here you will see the ID of the candidate, name and the agency. Write a brief message like Scrum Master position is available and requesting candidate's resume, and click on Request Resume. Let's make sure that resume request was submitted. Go to My Account and click on Resume Requests tab. Here you go. All of your recent resume requests will be listed here. You should see the resume link for the candidate that already have resumes attached. Click on the resume icon to view the resume of the candidate. Talgy make this process very time efficient and organized. You will also get an email notification about your request with the resume link. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when new videos are published. Go to talgy.com to learn more.